Hello students, good morning to all of you. This is Bablu Kumar teaching in Jesus Man Academy. Today we are going to discuss how to solve exercise 1B and mathematics. This session of video is especially for 5th A. So let us start to discuss the solution of exercise 1B. See the question number first. Rewrite the given numbers using commas to separate the periods according to the Indian and international place value chart. Write these numbers in words also. We have already known how to put commas when we write the numbers in Indian place value system. According to Indian place value system, there are some periods. One period, 1000 periods, lakh periods, and crore periods, so on. One period consists 3 digit, 1000 period consists 2 digit, lakh period consists 2 digit, crore period consists 2 digits, and the same the further periods consist 2 digits. In the international number system, once period consists 3 digit, thousands period consists 3 digits, millions period consists 3 digits, billion period consists 3 digits, trillion periods consist 3 digits. So here the number is 4,19,054. We can read this number in Indian number system 4,19,054. But according to international number system, we read this number as 419,054. In the same way, we can read this number according to Indian number system as 41,08,429. While in international number system, we read this number as 4,108,429. Now we have to put commas to separate the periods, and we have also write these numbers in words. So let us see here how to write this number in words and put commas. In this ad, Indian place value chart, number in figures 4,19,054. We write this number in words as 4,19,054. In the same way, we can write this number in international place value chart. We can write this number according to international place value chart. Number in figures 419,054. In words 419,054. B number 51 lakh 8,429. We write this number in words: 41 lakh 8,429. In international number system, we write this number as 4,010 lakh 8,400 sorry 4,108,429. In words, 4,184,000 sorry 4,108,429. Now see the second number. Write the following numbers in the standard form using the Indian and the international place value system. Now the number is 70 lakh plus 4 lakh plus 50,000 plus 8,000 plus 20 plus 9. So we can write this number in Indian place value system as 74 lakh 58,029, while this number should be written in international place value system as 7,458,029. Now see 3 number. Answer the following question. What comes just before 67 lakhs? So the number that comes before 67 lakh is 66 lakh 9 66 lakh 999,999. In order to find the number that comes before any given number, we just subtract 1 from the number, then after we get the number that comes just before the given number. So the number that comes just before 67 lakh is 66 lakh 99,999. Now we see some more questions of exercise 1C. Now there are some questions of exercise 1C. So let us to solve the questions of exercise 1C. Now write the face value and place value of 4 in the following numbers. In the first number there are 2 4s. So the place value of the number which is left side is 4 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. It means ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So the place value of the 4 which is at the left side is 4 ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 40 crore. And the face value of 4 is 4. In the same way, the place value of second 4 is 4,000 and the face value of this 4 is 4. In question number B, the place value of 4 in the given number is 40,000, while the face value of the number 4 is 4. Question number 2. Write the following numbers in ascending order. There are some numbers given, so we just count the digits of the number. Then after we arrange these numbers in ascending order. I think this number is the smallest number in this group. So we first write this one, then after this one, and then this one at last. In this way we can write the numbers in ascending order. 3 number. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. We can write this number in expanded form. We write here 2 into and put the number of zeros, the digits just after 2. So there are 8 digits just after 2. So we put 1 0 0 0 0 0 so on 80. In the same way 4 into 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 plus 7 into 1 0 0 0 0 0 plus 2 into 1 0 0 0 0 plus 9 into 1 0 0 0 plus 9 into 100 plus 1 into 10 plus 8 into 1. In this way we can write the expanded form of the given number. Four number. Write in figures 69 crore 5 lakh 42. We can write this number as 69 comma 05 comma 00 comma 042. We can read this number as 69 crore 5 lakh 42. In the same way 87 lakh 9022. We write here 87 comma 09 comma 022. We can read this number as 87 lakh 9022. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. There is some homework for all of you. You have to complete exercise 1B and 1C in your notebook. So thank you for watching today's video.